Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Joyce. I am coming to you guys today with a DIY. We're going to make some fabric wood earrings, okay? Now, I did a DIY, I'm going to say about 8 months ago on some wood earrings that I was using fabric, but this time we're going to do this a little bit different. So here are the items that you will need for this DIY. You are going to need some fabric. Now, it can be any choice of fabric that you want, but I am using some African print fabric. I don't really know well, I do know the name of this fabric, but I can't pronounce it. I think it begins with an A. So what you do is you take your fabric and you want to on it. You want to fold in two sides of your fabric and you just want to fold it down. Because when you make these earrings, you don't want your earrings to fray, okay? You don't want the fabric to fray. And sometimes when you cut the fabric, it has a way of fraying, okay? Meaning like it's coming like loose, you know, the ends will start getting raggedy and stuff. So you on them both sides down, and you're just going to have this piece right here, okay? You're going to get yourself a wood bead. It doesn't necessarily mean what type of bead. As long as it has a circle in it, you can do this DIY. You're going to need some 20 gauge wire. I have about 5 inches of 20 gauge wire. I have my round nose pliers, my wire cutters, and my handy dandy glue gun. So we're getting ready to go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do first, make sure that you get, that you find whatever earring you have, it already have a hole in it, okay? If it doesn't, then you have to pierce the wood and make your hole. Okay, so we're going to take our 20 gauge wire and we're just going to make a loop. Then we're going to give it a little bit of indentation. And this is pretty much what you're going to have, guys. It's going to look like this. And then we're going to just take this piece right here, push it up, and wrap it around a couple times. Okay, maybe once or twice. Then we're going to take our wire cutters and snip off that piece. We're going to take our flat nose pliers. Y'all make sure you get your flat nose pliers too. I'm sorry. Take your flat nose pliers and just take and pinch that in so it doesn't stick out. And then we're just going to take this piece and we're going to go ahead and push it through and pinch it. Well, actually, I'm going to do it this way. Okay. And then we're just going to pinch it up. So this is pretty much what you're going to have, okay? Then we're going to take this piece right here, and we're going to pinch this piece up. Then we're going to take and just wrap it around. Now, I think I've done a video like this before, showing you guys how to do this. Then we're going to take and see that's in place. And all you do is you take your wire cutters and you snip that off. And then we're going to go ahead and start wrapping our wood bead. Now, what I did with these pieces of wood right here, these were, I hand painted these. I didn't have, you don't have to hand paint your wood. You can actually use it. You don't have to really do anything to it, but I wanted it to be in black. I wanted it black. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our fabric and we're just going to come and start. We want to put a piece just like this. So we're going to take our glue gun and we're just going to take and put just a smidge of glue right here to get it started. And the thing about it, when you're using your glue gun, guys, like that, that's what you're going to have. When you're using a glue gun, you don't necessarily have to put glue in between. You don't have to do that, okay, in between. So then we're going to go ahead and start wrapping our wood bead. And make sure you cut your pieces, and I'm sorry for not telling you this, make sure you cut your fabric at least, I'm going to say maybe 15 inches. So we're going to start wrapping, taking it through. And like I said, you can use any type of fabric that you would like. And as you are wrapping, you are holding, making it, just make sure as you wrap, you hold it as tight as possible because you want it to look nice and tight. You also want it to look professional. Okay. Sometimes when you get down to this part here, when you get down to like when you're going around the curves, well, the whole thing is a curve. Okay. Just want to make sure that your fabric isn't turning or twisting. You just want to make sure that everything is, you know, going the way you would like. All right, guys, for the sake of the video, I am going to finish this and I'm going to come back. Okay, guys, so once we get towards the end of our wood bead, you want to take and bring this piece over like this, okay? Because now we're getting ready to try to hide the rest of that wood that we see right there. You want to take it, push it through, and pull it as tight as you can get it, and then bring it back over like that. Okay, hold it as tight as you can, push it through, and this is what you're going to have, guys. And now we're just going to take and snip this off right here. Or you need some scissors too. I'm sorry, y'all. Okay, we want to take our scissors. We're just going to snip. Snip right here. Okay. And then we're just going to take a little bit of glue, and what we're going to do is we're just going to like trim it, and we're going to take some glue and we're going to glue it down. I'm sorry, y'all. Take a little bit of glue, glue it down. Okay. And then press it down. And this is what you'll have, guys. This is your earring. Okay. Now, if you would like, you can add a bead up at the top, or you can leave it the way that it is. So we're going to put on our fish hook, and we have ourselves a pair of fabric wood earrings. Oh, come on. Okay, guys, so here is our end result. Now, I want to tell you guys that they are going to be different, but the pattern and everything is going to be just about the same. The thing about making earrings, earrings. The thing about making fabric wood earrings is that the only difference is that they're going to look different. They're not going to be the same, okay? Uh, they're really cute. And like I said, if you want to, you can put a wood bead up at the top, or you can wear these just the way they are. These are too cute. I want to thank you guys for tuning in into today's DIY. You guys have a wonderful, awesome day. Peace and blessings. See ya.